Hello everyone and welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids. And today we'll be on Make Code Arcade, designing a space explorer. So we're going to start now. So it says, let's explore the depths of space. In this tutorial, we'll design a spaceship for the journey. So what it says we should do is go to Scene, then start Confetti Effect there. And then we select Starfield instead of confetti. Then it should do a drop down as a blast into space. So it's basically making the background for this part. Then we have to get the sprite. So let's get the sprite and get it there. Then after that, we should go to gallery after we pick that blank box. And we can basically choose whatever we want, like a taco, a human, a duck, a house, a button. Well, it can basically be anything you want here. It can also be a plane. You can also model what you want it to be by yourself. So yeah, you may as well just choose anyone. I think I'm going to just end up choosing this. That should be good. So there. Now you see the controls aren't working, but we should get onto that. So we're going to go to controller and just do move sprite with buttons. And we aren't going to mess with anything around it. It's just going to be that. So it'll move with the joystick, arrow keys, or WASD. So there, the spaceship is moving. Yeah, it can't go off screen. Well, I mean, it can go off screen. It just can't go off screen at the top. And then it just, you don't know where it is. Oh, right, it can go off screen at the top. And then, so make sure the sprite stays on the screen. So when that happens, it shouldn't go off. As you can see. So now that's basically an invisible barrier. So we've done this first part of the tutorial now. You can also just sign in with a Microsoft account if you have one. Make sure to get your parents' permission first, though. So now we're moving on to projectiles. So I recommend keeping your code so it doesn't. It probably just have the same code even if you didn't keep it. I actually kind of know how to do this part. So yeah. The workspace is preloaded with code for flying ship. Be sure to play with it on the game screen to see if it works like you expect. Check your player sprite to make sure you're happy with it. If you want to make changes, click the sprite image to design a new kind of vehicle or turn it into an alien creature using the sprite editor. So now we go to the controls and put an on A button pressed. We're going to put it down there. Then we go to the variables, I think. Oh, wait, no, I think it's in Sprite. So it's a projectile from the Sprite. Then we can choose the projectile, or you can make your own. So I could make it find pizza, ice cream, tacos, a dish, a log, or you could just decide to make it fire itself. I could just make him fire this. But I think I'm just going to do a star. So now, when I press the A button, it should go down. So yeah, it's going down. That's why, preload it, because of its preloaded argument. That's why it's going down. So we need to change where it's going to go. So because of that, I think I know a good part. It should be -50. Oh, I forgot I can just type it though. So let me test it out now. And now it's working. I I think I might just take away this part, maybe. No, it's still going down. Maybe if I do. I'm just doing what the tutorial says. I'm trying to figure it out. I think I'm close. Okay, that doesn't seem to change anything. Well, maybe if I just, I think they should just both be the same. Oh yeah, it's gonna go in the corner there. Oh, I feel like this might be it. No. So, okay, I have no idea why it keeps on going that way. Alright, let's just, you can just click the hint. So it says 0 and -70. So that should work. So let's see. Yeah, now it's going there. So now you can just do this. So we're going to do some special effects. Now, as it says, so my sprites are the spray effect. Like, you can just change it. Let's see. What about fire? Because that should work. Like, anyway, the projectile supposed to be shooting the fire. Is reserved the fire, not the sprite. Yeah, that should work. This will actually turn out to be a really cool game, I think. Alright, you can also add another spray effect. But I think I might also, let's see if I can combine them. So maybe if I can do this. Just no, I can't. I was just playing around a bit there. Let's just continue with the tutorial now. So we've done projectiles, so now we're going to be doing enemies. Because of course it has to be the danger. So now we're going to add enemies. They could be asteroids, radioactive debris, angry space sharks. Those don't exist, but okay. So, like, enemies rain from the sky. Like, but in space. How are they rain from the sky then? Does the space count as the sky? Never mind, I'm just going to ignore that. Okay, so guess we're going to have to add this. And the projectile too. Alright, that should actually just be the enemy, I think. So that would be the enemy that as a projectile would damage you, I guess. Okay, so sorry I had to deal with something there. So do I worry? Alright, we're changing the variable name to my enemy. And it says it should be it, yeah, that's fine. Anyway, we can now we're going to just design the enemies or anything. I guess again. So it could just be a tree, a shark, like angry space sharks. I don't get how you get them to move in the right direction. Let's just do some asteroids. Yeah, that. Yeah, that part wasn't supposed to happen there. If you see it, like, wait. That's confusing. Alright, it says that we should set the sprite here. I'm just going to put that on. Then in math we put a pick random here, 0 to 10. So it says 5, 2. Right. Yeah. 5 and 155. It says. So that should be fine. Let's just see what happens. Oh. Yeah, I was supposed to put my enemy. Okay. I think I might have to change it. I'm just going to put it down to 100. I'm just going to try and refresh to see. I don't really get what I don't get what's happening. It just seems like it's crashing. Hmm. So, oh yeah, it's because the enemy hasn't spawned in. That was why. And then, oh, I think the enemy's still shooting down there, and it's just not on the screen. I think that's it. So I have a feeling this would maybe just, well, this should let the enemy track the player. Right. Alright. You have to change it to an enemy. So it should act as an enemy. So let's just put one of these here, like the tutorial says. To be honest, I'm just learning with this. Then we change the player to enemy. So once we've done that, should alright, we need to change the life from -1. So when that happens, it should destroy the sprite. As you see, is now the game over? Yeah, but I it it destroys the sprite, but we need to just. I don't think that's what's supposed to happen. Oh, it's destroy other sprite. No, wait. I'm just gonna put that there. That seems as if that's what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, the enemy still isn't flowing. Well, it does destroy the sprite though, so that's good. Then oh, we need another one. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just following the tutorial now. But this should all work in the end. And really, I have no idea how to just make sure this stops. Then the first guy, the enemy. Right. Oh yeah, right. So the projectiles can destroy the enemy. That's what it's doing. So let's do the destroy sprite. So yeah, now that the projectile should, well, I'm able to destroy them, I guess. Yeah, this isn't going too smoothly. So now we have this. But really, I think I might know the problem here. Wait, what's that? I'm just going to get this. And I'm changing it to my enemy. I just want to see if this will solve that problem. Oh, that that isn't solving any problem. Like, That's all that happens. They just spawn at the bottom of the screen now. Okay, I'm really confused on what's happening now. I think I'm going to just start fresh so we can all see the solution, I guess. So yeah, it has a save and screen that has enemies and there's the bubbles and smiles. Great. Okay, I feel like something just keeps on going wrong, so let's just test this to see. So I suppose that you can actually just do this. Yeah, the game was working fine. They spawn at the random places. Okay, yeah, that. Yeah, and it gets addicting. Like, I'm just trying to stay alive, but really, I should just move on to the status bars. So we're going to. I've already taken a peek. So yeah, we're just going to put this onto the on start container. I'm just going to put it at the bottom because, like, I feel like everything should go at the bottom now. Okay, there. So it says it's an extension. Wait, that's butter. Right. Yeah, it should be the energy here. Okay. To be honest, I don't really understand this, so it says drop. That's status bar to my sprite here. Then the position for it. I have no idea right now. I have no idea what's actually going to happen with this. To be honest, I have no idea how to explain this. So I think, oh, I get it. It was attached to Sprite, like the bottom of it. So now we need another on game update and set to 300. Now that we need to put one of these change status bar value and -1. Oh, so this should take away the fuel. Then we need a new one. I decided to paste it. I'm getting tired of going into the workbox and just getting all of it. So, but that projectile too. I'm just checking which one it was. So then we name it my fuel. I have no idea why it's called projectile too every single time. I'm just doing this. So they should make the fuel go onto the correct side, set the place so it'll be under there. Then we have to then we have to just do this. Choose. I think, yeah, this should be a choose type of fuel. So this should be the Sprite for the fuel, I guess. I'm just making a pizza. No reason. Then we connect that Sprite too. So we're just dealing with the position of the Sprite here, I think. So you just need to make sure it's positioned there, and no, yeah, we need to make the fuel appear in random places, I guess. That's a block here. Yeah, right, so now we had problems with this block before. So let's just see if the problem will happen again. Hopefully not. So it did mean this one. And for the newest on-game update. So it should be, we're gonna have to set this right. I think this was supposed to be set the fuel. We don't want to make the player just teleport all around the place again. So I go and put in my fuel. Add a new kind and put it to gas. Then we're going to need more stuff from here. I'm just going to put over here. So I think, yeah, the last argument when the player overlaps with the gas, that the status bar value to change it from 0 to 100. So yeah, we're going to put it to 100. So yeah, change the status bar value. Okay. Oh yeah, right. If empty status bar, that the empty fuel. So if that happens, I guess it'll just be doomed. You'll be doomed. So because of that, we're going to have to add the game over to lose. So this is basically the final product, I guess. Like, okay, this is wait. Well, the pizzas are working. They're filling it up. Yeah, to be honest, I think the pizzas are spawning way too often. Yeah, I'm just going to tweak with this a bit, but we're basically done here. So now we're going to claim our reward, which is this certificate that you're going to have to print out later. So everyone, so I'll see you later and bye. Make sure to check out the YouTube channel. Oh wait, you're watching the YouTube channel.